Got Big Orange with me here today, and we are here to collect this little case 885 tractor. I'm gonna get a clutch put in it and apparently a new exhaust, maybe. Good old tractor. Got it with this 3-point PTO. It's got some, it's county line. I actually got this tiller hauled for this guy. Little connecting arm is bent. We may have us a little bit of a chore getting this guy loaded up. Hopefully I can get it running so I can just lift the PTO. Make life a little bit easier. See if she'll start. More ideal if they had moved this stuff out of my way. Okay. Now then, battery don't look too old. Let's see here. Alright, old girl. I got a cable on this thing for me. See if this old girl's got some life in her. Betting not. It does, so that'll be nice. Seat cushions had better days too, looks like. So, put the new. Got nothing. They have jumper cables though. Alright, girl. Negative. Positive. Let's see what we got now. Now! I hope I'm out of gear. I know. Let's crank the old tractor here up, see if that helps. This is charging. Let's check and see. Got an oil situation we got here. Well, let's see if I got some oil. Well, I don't have any oil on hand. I should have brought some knowing what I was getting into here. Come on. There's a notch in this cap. There we go. Yeah, we won't be driving this thing anywhere. It's right at the bottom, really low, so if I can just crank it and get the wheels turned straight, I can get it on the trailer. It is hot today, folks, I'm telling you. So I'm gonna abandon trying to get this thing on my trailer. I'm pointed slightly downhill, and with probably going to restore this thing, I don't see the point in trying to tear bodywork up and chance rolling it off the truck. But I've got a load of implements anyway. I scored on this bush hog too. I think it's nearly new, really. So I'm stoked we're getting a good deal. My buddy Tim, that's going to be working on this thing, getting the clutch in it for me, he's got rollback, so he's just going to come and scoop this thing up for me. So very, very kind. This thing's gonna look nice once I get everything pressure washed and I can start doing some paint work on this thing and get it looking good. I'll just go over it real quick with you. This thing just needs pressure washing. It'll look brand hammer new. I need to get a gauge kit put in it. She's nasty. She's a dirty girl, but we'll get it looking good again. This is gonna be a fun little project that I can spend a couple of years on. But let's load these implements up. We'll do the easy stuff. There's one thing about it. I'm no Andrew C. Andrew Camerata, my wide brim hat is off to you. There's just some things I can't do. I'll do basic mechanicing, you know, just to try to get something started, but yeah, when it's 95 degrees and it doesn't start right up, I have friends with rollbacks and I will use them. To make their lives easier, I am going to pull this 3-point tiller off and haul it up to the yard. That way they don't have something dragging behind them. If it start and they could lift it, I'd just leave it, but we'll just go ahead and pull this thing off and make life easy on them, if I can find the stand. Oh boy. I'm ready for some winter. Definitely ready for winter. I love this stuff, but you know, you got to accept your limitations when you have to. There's that. 4. PTO off. Hopefully it's not seized up. Might pull up a little bit. I'm gonna have to cut that PTO shaft at some point, shorten it up. Actually, it'll probably fit just right on my Kubota. We shall see. Ain't got time to screw around. Now, we'll get you. Boy, I wish I had my pry bar now. There's one. Got a little pressure on it. That's right off. Much better. Yeah, so he should have took this off because it's chewed up this shaft cover. Still works though, so it's all good. Well, my little tractor, I'll have somebody here to pick you up this week. While I may have failed to get said tractor, I did get the little bush hog and the roto tiller. I'm gonna get this little yellow wagon backed out of here and head to the house. She's a tight fit, but we made it. We back in the air conditioning, folks. Man, it's a beautiful day. Alright, so I had a great time with you guys doing the live stream the other night. It sounded like a lot of you guys did too. So we'll keep doing it here once in a while. You guys drop down in the comments what you thought about this video. I hate we didn't retrieve the tractor, but I was going to have to try to make 2 trips anyway. And I've actually got to go deliver a load of stone today and going on vacation tomorrow. So I probably wouldn't have had time to get this tractor today anyway, and it's got to move. It's got to get off the property. So I already put a call in to my buddy Tim. He's going to hook me up and pick it up, haul it to his shop, and get the clutch in, and then hopefully you and I will get the fun of pressure washing it and getting it squared away back to closer to its original self. I'm no professional restoration expert, but it's going to be fun to tinker with if you and I ever slow down. The way it's going, we're staying pretty busy. So thanks for joining me on this, guys. I'm stoked about the tractor. Hopefully you guys are too, and we'll see you on the next video.